Draw easy.
Hello, friends. Today I'm going to draw a cute flower. First, I will start by drawing a circle just like this. Then, I will add the petals to our flower. Our flower will have 5 beautiful petals. Now, it's time to draw the stem. A leaf to complete the drawing. Now that our drawing is ready, let's start coloring. I will use the vibrant colors of the rainbow. First, I will use yellow color. Then orange colored. Dark pink color. Purple color. Sky blue color. Green color. Brown color for the stem. And light green color for the leaf. Our colorful flower is complete. See you in the next video for more fun drawings.
Today, we are going to draw Peppa Pig jumping in a puddle. First, I will start by drawing 2 circles for Peppa's eyes, a smaller circle for her cute cheek, a smiling mouth, and a nose. Then, I will sketch the shape of her head and her 2 ears. Next, I will outline her body, draw her 2 arms, a curly tail, and her 2 cute shoes. Finally, I will add the water beneath her feet to complete the scene. Now, I will go over the lines to make the drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I will use red for Peppa's dress. Light pink for her skin. Orange for her shoes. And blue for the water. Peppa looks so happy splashing around. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Today, we're going to draw a Stitch Squishmallow. First, I will outline its shape, just like this. Next, I will draw its mouth to adorable eyes. And a nose with tiny nostrils. Now, I will add its 2 ears. It's already looking so cute. To make the drawing stand out, I will go over the lines with a thicker stroke. Now, let's start coloring. I will use a sky blue marker for this part of the body. Dark blue for the nose. Light blue for this section. And a touch of light purple for the ears. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.